Baba Ollie, your tool list looks like spaghetti.
I know. I lose track every time.
Let's build you a tool tracker spreadsheet.
Ooh. Like rows for tool names, columns for quantity and condition.
Exactly. And we can add a formula to count how many are broken.
Hello kids! This is your Captain AHS. Have you ever wanted to keep score, plan a party, or track who ate the most cookies? Spreadsheets are like super smart tables that help you organize, calculate, and even make charts. Let's discover how these magical grids turn everyday lists into powerful tools. Let's learn how to keep our info safe, smart, and just for the people we trust.
Sorrow! I want to know who ate how many cookies. Perfect. We can use a spreadsheet to keep track. A spread what now? Let me tell you. A spreadsheet is like a smart table. See these little boxes? Each one is called a cell. We can type names and numbers into them. Can I write my name in a box? Open the spreadsheet and click on the blank page, type in the first column and row section in the first box, Mina, and can edit the name accordingly. This is like magic boxes. Can we add the cookies? Wow! This is so cool! That's what spreadsheets are for, organizing and adding stuff. Just wait till you see what comes next. Okay, I got 5 goals in round 1 and 3 in round 2. How do we add them all up?
Let's make a spreadsheet. Type the scores in column B. And here comes the best part.
What's the best part?
This cell right here, B4, will be our total. Watch this. We type equals sum, B2, B3, and boom.
Whoa! It added them all by itself.
Spreadsheets can do math for you. You can add, subtract, even average scores with formulas.
Can it tell me who won the most rounds?
With the right formula, yes. Spreadsheets are like your very own scoreboard assistant.
Baba Ollie, your tool list looks like spaghetti.
I know. I lose track every time.
Let's build you a tool tracker spreadsheet.
Ooh. Like rows for tool names, columns for quantity and condition.
Exactly. and we can add a formula to count how many are broken. First of all, here I will write the tool names, condition and quantity, and then add the numbers as well. Then sort it so I can fix the most used ones first.
You're thinking like a spreadsheet detective.
Now it's time for the quiz. What is a spreadsheet used for? Option A, writing stories. Option B, solving math problems and organizing data. Option C, drawing pictures. Option B, solving math problems and organizing data. In a spreadsheet, what do we call the boxes where you type information? Option A, blocks. Option B, cells. Option C, tables. Option B, cells. What is the name of the program that is commonly used to create spreadsheets? Option A, Microsoft Excel. Option B, Google Docs. Option C, Microsoft Word. Option A, Microsoft Excel. What does each cell on a spreadsheet have? Option A, a color. Option B, a name made of a letter and a number, like a 1. Option C, a sound. Option B, a name made of a letter and a number, like a 1. If you want to add numbers in cells A1 and A2, which formula should you type in another cell? Option A, A1 plus A2. Option B equals A1 plus A2. Option C equals add A1 A2. Option B equals A1 plus A2. Now that you know what spreadsheets can do, you're ready to take the next step. Next time, we'll explore how to input data into those smart little boxes like a pro. Get ready to type, tap, and fill in your very first spreadsheet rows and columns. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.